Hello, DT Practice community. Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, we're all about helping you ace the Duolingo English Test. Today, we're diving into top 5 essential Duolingo English Test tips and tricks for 2024. Whether you're a first-timer or looking to improve your score, these insights are just for you. So, let's get started. The Duolingo English Test has become a key player in language proficiency assessments, recognized by universities worldwide. It's known for its convenience and innovative approach. But how can you make the most of it? Let's find out. Tip 1. Understanding the test structure. Tip number 1. Know the test structure. The DET is divided into 3 parts: adaptive objective questions, subjective questions (OI), and interview questions. It assesses 4 dimensions: comprehension, literacy, conversation, and production. Understanding this structure is crucial for your preparation. Tip 2. Technical preparation and environment setup. Tip 2 is all about your test environment. Ensure a stable internet connection, good lighting, and a quiet room. Technical glitches with your microphone or camera can disrupt your test, so check these beforehand. Tip 3. Mastering question types. Moving on to Tip 3. Master the question types. From interactive listening to read and select, each type has its own strategy. For example, in interactive listening, focus on key details as you can't replay audio. Tip 4. Speaking and writing skills. Tip 4. Enhance your speaking and writing. Practice speaking naturally and maintaining eye contact with the camera. For writing, stay on topic and be clear and concise. Tip 5. Avoiding non-certification and account issues. Our final tip: avoid non-certification. Ensure no one else is in the room, avoid prohibited items, and follow the test rules strictly. This will help ensure your score is certified. Let's quickly recap. Understand the test structure. Prepare your test environment. Master each question type. Enhance your speaking and writing skills. And follow the rules to avoid non-certification. If you found these tips helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. Share your own experiences in the comments below. And don't forget to check out our other videos for more DT insights. Thanks for watching, DT Practice community. We're here to help you succeed in your Duolingo English Test journey. Good luck, and see you in the next video.